We are on our way to watch the two best rugby teams in the world play against each other, and we are going to take the train to get there. It is so cool to be able to catch a train to go to rugby. We've never been able to do that. It's green everywhere. Everywhere. We are hearing a lot more Afrikaans here than we ever did at Kings Park going to rugby, even if the Bokke played. The game today is actually at Mount Smart and not at Mount Eden because of FIFA World Cup. The ladies will be playing. We're actually going to a game next Saturday.
We are walking there. We're a few hundred meters away now.
Craig got these tickets the day it came out. We weren't even living in Auckland at the time. Not gonna lie, the stadium is quite a walk from this train station, but I think we're there.
It is.
We only just saw the first All Black supporter.
We're pretty excited for the game. I predict the Boks by 8 points. That's what I'm saying. What are you saying?
I already said by 3. So we got to the gates. Craig made a mistake and he thought it opens at 3, but it only opens at 5, so people are sitting outside. So yes, this is a different stadium than normal, but there's literally nothing around it. No restaurants, no pubs, nothing. So everyone is sitting outside the stadium waiting for the gates to open.
So we're looking for a pub, something.
It's just a completely different vibe to what we used to.
Walking around Penrose.
We resorted to McDonald's. We're just gonna get something to drink. We're feeling so lame. Bit of an anticlimax, but we've got McDonald's. Looks like you have a pink drink there.
Yeah, not quite the beer I was hoping for, but that'll come just now. So.
We still have half an hour before gates open. To 5, they opened the gates and we're in the stadium finally.
It's just bigger than I thought.
Nice.
Stadium looks good.
We got drinks and we had some food, and it's really nice inside of the stadium. Actually, there's lots of food and drink stalls all around, and we're seeing so much green. So that's it!
Yes.
Not bad for the cheap seats.
Pretty good, actually.
Unfortunately, the Springboks lost the match with a final score of 35-20. A few years ago, we saw these two teams play in Durban, and now we can also say that we've seen them playing in New Zealand. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.